So students, today we are going to discuss about a new experiment that deals with the permanent slides. So today's experiment is to observe permanent slide of different cell organelles under microscope. As you all know, inside the cell there are the different organelles are there. Like nucleus is there, and around the nucleus endoplasmic reticulum is there, rough endoplasmic reticulum, smooth endoplasmic reticulum is there, and after that Golgi apparatus is there, and mitochondria are there. So there are the different kind of the permanent slides are available in the lab. Wherever you perform it in the lab, you can take it from the lab attendant in the lab, and there are the different type of the permanent slides are available in our lab. And today we are going to focus on these organelles and what are the different functions of these organelles. Let us what are these? So these will be your endoplasmic reticulum, okay, and second will be your Golgi bodies, okay, and third will be dealing with the mitosis and the meiosis, okay. So we will observe the metaphase permanent slide, and the fourth one will be the anaphase, okay. So apart from it, there are the different other type of the permanent slides are also available, but we will mainly focus on these. Clear? So let's come to here. In this is a cell biology lab. As you can see, the microscopes are all over here, and now this is a box. Whenever you are going to perform in the lab, you need to take this box, which is consist of all the permanent slides. So here you can see different kind of the permanent slides are available, just like I am showing you here. This is the mitosis slide, okay. So different other slides are available. These are large collection of the cells. Permanent slides are there. I have taken a few out to make you understand how we can observe it under the compound microscope. So here you can see this is the endoplasmic reticulum slide, this is the metaphase slide, and this is the lysosome slide, and the Golgi body slide is also there, which I have already set in this compound microscope. So here you can see I have discussed. And first of all, what you do, you just turn on this light source, and after that the light will be imparted on our specimen. And here you can see I have placed this slide on the stage, clear stage, and you can rotate it with the help of these knobs, and also adjust with the help of the this coarse adjustment and the fine adjustment knobs. And these are the binocular eyepieces are there, clear. So here you can see this is the 10x, 40x and the 100x magnifying objective lenses are there. What I have fixed it on the 10 axis, you can move it to the 40x and the 100x. So now I am going to observe it under the microscope, and I can adjust it with the help of these. So how these looks like under the microscope. Here let me just focus it under the microscope so that it can be clearly visible to you. So let's have a look here that I have focused the permanent slide of the Golgi apparatus, how it looks like under the microscope. Wait about it. So here you can see this is how we can observe. And let me just take another slide, okay. So now I'm going to so and now I will remove this slide, okay, Golgi apparatus, and now I will place it like here on this permanent slide stand, and after that I will take the another slide, that is the metaphase, okay. So let me just place it here, okay. And okay, so now I have adjusted it. Now I am doing the coarse adjustment. Now here you can see I have adjusted this metaphase slide under the microscope. You can focus. Yes. So here you can see, students, this is the metaphase stage of these, how it looks like under microscope, and how it is, you can see that how it is, different from the pictures which you are available on the books. So I will again take it out, and likewise I will go for the this one. Now I will move to the endoplasmic reticulum. I will take this slide and just place it under on the stage, just like this. Okay, place it in this holder. This is the slide holder. You can see this is the slide holder. You can rotate it like this, and place this. And after you are placing it, one and the most important part is that place or focus this permanent slide in the middle of the lens. Okay. So here, now let me just do all the course adjustment and all these things. Okay, so now here you can see I have focused this endoplasmic reticulum slide. Okay, so yes, so here you can see cells are there, and inside there dotted structures are there which are known as the nucleus. And you already know that these endoplasmic reticulum are originating from the outer wall of these nucleus. So here you can see the dotted one are the nucleus, and around these the endoplasmic reticulums are there. Okay, so this is how we have studied all these different slides. And now after that, one more slide is there, students, for the lysosome. So let me just adjust this slide, okay, and see how it works. Okay, so students, I have focused lysosome here. You can see, you can now focus here. I have focused on the lysosome, how it looks like under the microscope, and how it is different from the pictures which are available on your books. Okay, so this is the structure. So likewise, students, you can go for the any other slide. Like I will show you some more slides. What our experiment is over, as we have focused on all our permanent slides. So this is how you can take any of the slide, just like this box. Open this box and take any slide, and you can, just like I have taken it now, the metaphase. Okay, so I will focus on the metaphase of this meiosis. You can see here this is the metaphase of the meiosis. Okay, so I'm going to focus here and place it on this, and after that I will again allow it in the center, and you will use the good use of these fine focus. So students, here you can see this is the metaphase of the meiosis. So you can see here I have focus here. So likewise you can go for the all other permanent slides also, but this was the basic way how to use this compound microscope for visualizing different types of cell organelles. And what is the use of these visualizing the permanent slides? The use of these is that you are able to identify the different types of cells and what are the different structures which are present in these permanent slides of the different organelles. Okay, so in the examination they might ask you that what are the different structure and function of the different organelles. Okay, so this is over. Thanks for this.